I heartily welcome you to online biology class with Adarsh Vidyalaya Educational Institution. Now we are going to see the lesson Unit 14 Transportation in Plants and Circulation in Animals. The first topic is blood vessels. Blood vessels are the network of branches tubes that transport blood. There are three types of blood vessels, namely arteries, veins, and capillaries. The first type is arteries. They are thick and elastic vessels that carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery, which carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. What is meant by arteries? They are thick and elastic vessels that carry away from the heart to various organs of the body. The second type is veins. Veins are thin and non-elastic vessels that transport blood to the heart from the different organs. All veins carry deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein, which carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. What is meant by veins? Veins are thin and non-elastic vessels that transport blood to the heart from the different organs. The third type is capillaries. Capillaries are narrow tubes formed by branching of arterioles which then unite to form venules and veins. They are about 8 nm in diameter. Capillaries are formed of single layer of endothelial cells. What is meant by capillaries? Capillaries are narrow tubes formed by branching of arterioles which then unite to form venules and veins. The next is types of circulatory system. Animals possess two types of circulatory system. They are open type, closed type. The first type is open type. In open type, the blood is pumped by heart into blood vessels that open into blood spaces called sinuses. These sinuses are the body cavity which are called hemocoelial. Capillary system is absent. Example, arthropods, molluscs and ascidians, etc. Closed type. In closed type, the blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels. The blood flows from the arteries to vein through small blood vessels called capillaries. Example, vertebrates. More to know. Closed circulatory system was discovered by William Harvey in 1628, who is regarded the father of modern physiology. The next topic is structure of human heart. Heart is a muscular pumping organ that pumps out the blood into blood vessels. Human heart is situated between the lungs, slightly tilted towards the left and above the diaphragm in thoracic cavity. The heart is made of specialized type of muscle called cardiac muscle. The heart is enclosed in a double-walled sac called pericardium. It contains lubricating pericardial fluid which reduces friction during heartbeat and protects it from mechanical injuries. The human heart is four-chambered. The two upper thin-walled chambers of the heart are called auricle or atria, singular atrium, and two lower thick-walled chambers are called ventricles. The chambers are separated by partition called septum. The septum between auricles and ventricles prevents the mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The two auricles are separated from each other by interatrial septum. The left atrium is smaller than the right atrium. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body through the main veins superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and coronary sinuses. Pulmonary veins bring oxygenated blood to the left atrium from the lungs. The right and left auricles pump blood into the right and left ventricles respectively. The ventricles from the lower part of the heart. The two ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. The left and right ventricles have thick walls because ventricles have to pump out the blood with force away from the heart. From right ventricle arises the pulmonary trunk which bifurcates to form right and left pulmonary arteries. The right and left pulmonary arteries supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs of the respective side. The left ventricle is longer and narrower than the right ventricle. The walls are about 3 times thicker than the right ventricles. The left ventricles give rise to aorta. The oxygenated blood is supplied by the aorta to various organs of the body. The coronary arteries supply blood to the heart. Valves. The valves are muscular flaps that regulate the flow of blood in a single direction and prevent backflow of blood. The heart contains 3 types of valves: right atrioventricular valve, left atrioventricular valve, semilunar valve. The first valve is right atrioventricular valve. It is located between the right auricle and right ventricle. It has 3 thin triangular leaf-like flaps and therefore called tricuspid valve. The apices of flaps are held in the position by crocodile tetrail arising from the muscular projection of the ventricle valve known as papillary muscles. The second valve is left atrioventricular valve. It is located between the left auricle and left ventricle. It has 2 cusps and therefore called bicuspid or mitral valve. The third valve is semilunar valve. The major arteries, pulmonary artery and aorta, which leave the heart, have semilunar valve which prevent backward flow of blood into the ventricles. They are pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves. The next is types of blood circulation. The blood circulates in our body as oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. The types of circulation are systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, coronary circulation. The first circulation is systemic circulation. Circulation of oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to various organs of the body and return of deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Aorta carries oxygenated blood to all organs of the body. The second circulation is pulmonary circulation. The path of pulmonary circulation starts in the right ventricle. Pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle and reaches the lungs with deoxygenated blood. Pulmonary veins collect the oxygenated blood from the lungs and supply it to left atrium of the heart. The third circulation is coronary circulation. The supply of blood to the heart muscles, cardiac muscles, is called coronary circulation. Cardiac muscles receive oxygenated blood from coronary arteries that originate from the aortic arch. Deoxygenated blood from the cardiac muscles drains into the right atrium by the coronary sinuses. When the blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle, it is called double circulation. In double circulation, the oxygenated blood do not mix with the deoxygenated blood. However, in some animals, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood are mixed and pass through the heart only once. This type of circulation is called single circulation. Example: fishes, amphibians and curtain reptiles. More to know. Heart chamber in vertebrate animals. 2-chambered heart, fishes. 3-chambered heart, amphibians. Incomplete 4-chambered, reptiles. 4-chambered heart, aves, mammals and crocodiles. The next is heartbeat. One's complete contraction, systole and relaxation, diastole of an atrium and ventricle of the heart constitute heartbeat. The heart normally beats 72 to 75 times per minute. Initiation and conduction of heartbeat. The human heart is myogenic in nature. Contraction is initiated by a specialized portion of the heart muscle, the sinoatrial node, which is situated in the wall of right atrium near the opening of superior vena cava. The SA node is bordered at the top and tapering below. It is made of thin fibers. Sinoatrial node acts as a pacemaker of the heart because it is capable of initiating impulse which can stimulate the heart muscles to contract. The impulse from the sinoatrial node spread as wave of contraction over the right and left atrial wall, pushing the blood through the atrioventricular valves into the ventricles. The wave of contraction from SA node reaches the atrioventricular node, which is stimulated to emit an impulse of contraction spreading to the ventricular muscle via the atrioventricular bundle and the Purkinje fibers. Pulse. When the heart beats, the blood is forced into the arteries. The expansion of the artery every time the blood is forced into its called pulse. It can be felt by placing the fingertip on the artery near the wrist. Normal pulse rate ranges from 70 to 90 per minute. More to know. Neurogenic and myogenic heartbeat. Neurogenic heartbeat is initiated by nerve impulse caused from a nerve ganglion situated near the heart. Example, annelids, most arthropods. Myogenic heartbeat is initiated by specialized group of modified heart muscle fibers. Example, mollusca and vertebrates. Atrioventricular bundle was discovered by 1833, so it is called Purkinje fibers. The next is cardiac cycle. The sequence of events occurring from the beginning to the completion of one heartbeat is called cardiac cycle. During cardiac, blood flows through the chambers of the heart in a specific direction. Each cardiac cycle lasts about 0.8 seconds. The events during a single cardiac cycle involves. The first is atrial systole. Contraction of auricles 0.1 second. Ventricle systole. Contraction of ventricles 0.3 seconds. Ventricular diastole. Relaxation of ventricles 0.4 seconds. The next topic is heart sound. Rhythmic closure and opening of valves cause the sound of the heart. The first sound, lub, is longer duration and it is produced by the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valves after the beginning of ventricular systole. The second sound is dub, is of shorter duration and produced by closure of semilunar valves at the end of ventricular systole. Once we recall all again. What are the types of circulatory system? The first type is open type, second type is closed type. What is meant by open type? In open type, the blood is pumped by heart into blood vessels that open into blood spaces called sinuses. These sinuses are called cavities, which are called hemocoel. What is meant by closed type? In closed type, the blood flows in a complete circuit around the body through specific blood vessels. The blood flows from arteries to veins through a small blood vessels called capillaries. Explain structure of heart. Heart is a muscular pumping organ that pumps of the blood into blood vessels. Human heart is situated between the lungs, slightly titled toward the left and the above diaphragm in thoracic cavity. The heart is made of specialized muscle called cardiac muscle. What is meant by valves? The valves are muscular flaps that regulate the flow of blood in single direction and prevent backflow of blood. What are the types of valves? Right atrioventricular valve, left atrioventricular valve, semilunar valves. What are the types of blood circulation? Systemic circulation, pulmonary circulation, coronary circulation. What is meant by systemic circulation? Circulation of oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to various organs of the body and return of deoxygenated blood to the right atrium. Aorta carries oxygenated blood to all organs of the body. What is meant by pulmonary circulation? The path of pulmonary circulation starts in right ventricle. Pulmonary artery arises from the right ventricle and reaches the lungs with deoxygenated blood. What is meant by coronary circulation? The supply of blood to the heart cardiac muscle is called coronary circulation. Explain heartbeat. One complete contraction systole and relaxation diastole of atrium ventricles of the heart constitute heartbeat. The heart normally beats 72 to 75 times per minute. What is meant by pulse? When the heart beats, the blood is forced into arteries. The expansion of the artery every time the blood is forced into it is called pulse. What are the events during a single cardiac cycle involves? Atrial systole, ventricular systole, ventricular diastole. Explain heart sound. The rhythmic closure and opening of valves cause the sound of the heart. The first sound lub is longer duration and it is produced by closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve after the beginning of ventricular systole. The second sound dub is a shorter duration and it is produced by close of semilunar valves at the end of the ventricular systole. Now we came to the end of the section.
Thank you to all.